Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Gabi. On today's video I'm gonna show you how to make pan con tomate. All the ingredients I'm gonna leave on the description box. Let's get started. I chopped some peeled and seedless tomatoes. Added crushed garlic. Cooking salt. And chopped until we are incorporated. I added olive oil and set aside. I greased with olive oil and set aside. I heated a frying pan, placed the bread and left until golden. Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you on the next one. See you later. Bye!